Hey y'all, Chris from Thunder Laser here. Want to talk to my Windows users about their Aurora driver for Lightburn. So this is if you want to use Lightburn to control your Aurora machine, but are having trouble. So you've gone through the process, you probably got your device profile and think you've got Lightburn set up, but you still can't connect. As I've shown here, I've got my Aurora Light, but I'm only getting the disconnected status. So that's what we're here to talk about and tell you how to fix it. Now there's two scenarios. One, you didn't install any driver at all, or two, you installed the incorrect driver. So I'm going to close Lightburn down, and we're going to bring up Device Manager. Now to get the Device Manager, you can just type in this little search bar, Device Manager, and then select it and pull that up. And this is what our view is going to look like. For right now, since I don't have a driver installed, it's going to show up under other devices with the yellow triangle. Scenario 2 would be if it's going to be over the top under a BJJCV device and listed as a laser mark port. So we'll go ahead and force that scenario. So don't do this. This is just me making the scenario happen. So I'm going to update my driver. I'm going to force it to install the EasyCAD 2 drivers. And now when it refreshes, you can see I've got the EasyCAD 2 BJJCV driver installed, which is scenario 2, which we don't want. So in order to get back to scenario 1 where we can install the correct driver, you literally just say uninstall device, select the box to delete the driver. Once it's done, say scan for hardware changes. You'll see we've got that other device with the yellow triangle. Now there's two ways of getting Lightburn to install the driver. One, you can do it directly from the folders that Lightburn's already put on your computer, or two, you can rerun the installer for Lightburn. So go wherever you downloaded it before and run that. We're just going to basically click through the steps. Really don't need it to do a whole lot for us, but it's going to work back through. And then we're going to have the opportunity then to make sure we check the box to actually install Lightburn's driver. So it's right here at the end. Click on that selector there and install it again. Another prompt, walk through that, and it should install that driver. At the end of it, you'll get the confirmation with the red or a green check. If you get a red X or an error message, we're going to want to then install the other way. We're going to click finish, and then it's going to launch Lightburn. Now, the other way is navigating direct to the folders for Lightburn. On this computer, it's this PC, Windows C, Program Files, Lightburn, EasyCAD 2 driver, and I've got this executable. I'm going to right click on it and say run as admin. Now, since I've already got the driver installed, it's going to go very, very quick, but you click OK, next, boom, done, ready to use. Typically doing that way, if you run as admin, that will get around the install errors if, say, you're on an IT controlled network. All right, so now we've got the driver installed again. We can go back to the device manager, and this is what we want to see. We want to see it under universal serial bus devices listed as a USB, LMCV, and that could be a 2 or 4. It just depends on what board you've got. So now we've got it working. We can go back into Lightburn, select the profile, and now we're getting ready, and we should be able to continue on our journey of setting up and running this machine. Hope this helps. Y'all have a good day. Thanks for stopping by. And if you need anything else, support at thunderlaserusa.com. Thank you.